Hello everyone, this is Luis from Concrete Design and Repair, and here we are in Acworth doing a project, a concrete polishing project. This is the area we're polishing, and right now we're working on that mock-up right there that we're going to polish so it can get approved. And
oh
yeah, what do you think about it?
I think it looks great.
Yeah,
I think it looks great. I like how it's sanded down, that salt and pepper look, and I think it looks really good. I think it's going to look really good. It looks really good, man.
oh, okay. And do you think they're slippery? Does it look slippery? Is slipperiness going to be a concern?
Nope, not at all.
Oh, okay. And do you guys feel more confident now that I'm able to do the job now that you see the mock-up?
Absolutely. It looks really good.
And oops. As you see here, this is what we got so far. Right into it first. So
You guys did fine work.
okay, so would you hire us again?
Absolutely.
Did we did what we were supposed to do with the mock-up? Does it look, as far as look exact?
Looks exactly the same.
All right.
Couldn't hope for any better.
All right. All right. Well, thanks, Josh. So if you're considering and polishing concrete or have a similar project like this, please give us a call, 678-909-9982, or click on one of the links around this video. We hope to see you soon.